Hi viewers, welcome back to my Math Electrical and Speed Max channel. This is Dr.M.RAJMAL Joshi running an educational services specific for Mathematics Center, in which we are going to guide offline, online and home tutor mode for the various classes from 8th to 12th standard, Polytechnic, BSc Max and Major and Allied Max also. We are also undergoing coaching classes for PE, ME, MBA and MCA Max courses. For all boards and all type of subjects, we are taking care of the students here. Today we are going to have a topic on triangle. What is triangle? What are the properties of the triangle? We'll discuss out. A triangle is one in which it has got three sides, three angles and three vertices. So look out and diagram. This is the triangle of we have it, in which we'll have the vertices as A, in which we'll have the vertices as B, in which we'll have the vertices as C. Now what are the three sides you have? The sides are AB, BC and then CA. The angles are angle A, angle B and then angle C. Three vertices, as already in the diagram we have listed out, A, B and C. What is concurrent? First we will try to analyze, and what is the property of the concurrence of the triangle? We should know it. Concurrent mean equal in all respect or figures whose shapes and size are same. Now we'll see some of the figures. We'll try to understand which is concurrent and which is not concurrent. I have given you the four diagrams here. The first two diagrams are represented by this arrow mark, and the next two diagrams are indicated by this arrow mark. The questions here, which two diagrams are concurrent and which two diagrams are non-concurrent in the question. So first two diagrams are concurrent since they have the equal shapes and size. The second two diagrams are not concurrent since it is not of uniform shape. Next, SAS, that is side angle side concurrence triangle. SAS is side, angles and then side. What is the statement to this? We'll see now first. Two triangles are concurrent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle should be equal to the other two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. We'll see an example for this. First we have taken one triangle in which you have the vertices as A, B and then C, and side we have the 2 centimeter one side, the other side we have 4 centimeter, and it is included at an angle of 50 degree. Now when you say this property satisfies, let us take one more triangle in which the vertices are represented by P, Q and then R. Once again you should have the same dimension here, that is 2 centimeter. Next one 4 centimeter, and it's included at an angle of 50 degree. When all these conditions are satisfied, we can say it is an SAS concurrence. We'll see one example based on this. Let us have a triangle like this in which the vertices we are going to represent and the sides are represented by the parallel and the center point is taken as O. We'll have the vertices as A, B, C and then D. In the figure we came to know that the distance of OA is equal to the distance of OB and the distance of OC is equal to the distance of OD. That's what is given in the diagram. Now we need to prove two conditions here, that is one triangle condition as OAD and the other triangle condition as OBOC. That's what we have to prove, that triangle OAD and triangle OBC we have to prove, and second case we have to prove that triangle AD is parallel to BC. We'll make the solution to this and we'll prove how it is condition is satisfying. Now first we have the triangle OAD is equal to triangle OBC. As we already the given data says OA is equal to OB and OC equal to OD, it is the given data from the question itself. Now with this case, the condition angle OAD and angle BOC, that is the angle OA and then D, second triangle is angle BO and C. Both this forms the vertically opposite angles. That's why we have proved that this condition is satisfying there. That's why angle OAD is equal to angle BOC now. Once the condition is satisfied here by SAS, that is side angle side, with that this first statement is proved now. We'll go for the second statement. We have to prove that AD is parallel to BC. How we can prove that AD is parallel to BC now? So as already we know the statement from the triangle OAD and triangle BOC, the corresponding parts, that is the corresponding sides, are equal now. With that, it forms a pair of alternative angles. Whenever it forms an alternate angles, the line segment what you have it AD and BC, with that we can prove that it is parallel condition. So thanks for watching and thanks for circulating to your friend circle. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for getting more updation on speed max and math electrical for you. Thanks for watching once again.